So today we're going to solve equilibrium. So here's our example. So determine the components of reaction at the fixed support at A. So neglect the thickness of the beam. So here's our example beam. So it's a 3-meter distance and 3 loads of 200 Newton, and it has a 1 meter distance, 3 distance 1 meter, then it has have moment load at 400 Newton, and it has 30 degrees of angle. So here's first free body diagram. So we have two unknowns, the EX and the EY. So the moment A is going onward. So we're going to solve it. So the solution is, first we're going to solve the EX since it is unknown. So we have summation of Fx equals to 0. So negative AX plus 400 cosine 30 degrees is equals to 0. So the answer is AX equals 346 Newton. Then the summation of Fy is equals to 0. So Ey minus 200 minus 200, then minus 200, and minus 400 sine 30 equals to 0. So we have answer 800 Newton since it is versus the 200 Newton. So in moment at A, so we have MA minus 200 and 2.5 distance. So we're going to solve the 3 cosine 60 to distance of 200 Newton. So we have a 1 meter distance, so it becomes 2.5. So minus 200, then 3.5 distance minus 200 times 4.5 of distance, and negative 400 sine 30, so we have 4.5 distance, minus 400 cosine 30 times 3 sine 60 degrees equals to 0. So the answer is negative 3,900 Newton meter. So we're going to divide it into 1,000. So we have 3.90 kilonewton meter. So do you have any questions?
Why did the negative moment become positive?
So since it becomes since it is clockwise rotation, so it becomes negative. So we're going to convert this into kilonewton meter. So we're going to counterclockwise rotation. So then it becomes positive. So we have 3.90 kilonewton meter positive.